clot.
You know, Siri, me like this little update you have going on here, so you know, it's like iOS 7, you look nice, you're large, Siri.
Me turn up till it turn over.
True thing, man, you're nice. Siri, what kind of man you like?
Me like one with big cocky and enough money.
Bumbuckle. Hey, psst. Where you go, baby? Come here now. Your body chungy, man. Jesus Christ. Siri, you see the girl there?
She look like her poom poom stink.
Siri, really?
Siri, are you nasty, someone? What want to love?
Love now pay fee one new battery.
Dirty, man, you dirty. Siri, how me look?
You are the gal dem sugar.
You see it, Siri? The sweetie, man. Siri, why you so feisty, man? Why you so nasty?
Why you chaps out blood clot much?
What? Yo, mind yourself, you know.
Your mouth stink like. Me will box you down. A joke me your mag.
What?
You nag it na poom poom.
Siri, me girl left me. She said me like too much girl bitch up on Instagram.
Stop ball like you are gal.
But Siri, me love her.
Just go find one new gal now.
Siri, send my father one text saying happy birthday.
Text sent off.
Siri, me no know, this can't work no more. Me have to get a new phone or something, one Blackberry, cause you're too feisty, man.
Listen here, little cocky boy. If you leave me go text everybody in your phone and tell them you'll eat poom poom.
What? Your bright and stink like, won't you? Wait there, Siri, read me that text what you just sent.
Happy birthday, Dad. You is a chichi man. If you want me shout you out in the next video, just tweet the link to this video and tag at Senior Gumboy. Don't forget to subscribe. Now stop pre-me bloodletting. Big up China Doll 407. Drizzy 4i. Felly Red. And Songbird 876.